Hello.
इंग्लिश में बोलने का फायदा
Hello, Parrot. Hello. My toti love to eat Kokomo.
अंग्रेज है यहाँ पे
Oh. चॉकलेट नहीं खा सकती है माँ. Where is the Kokomo?
and it's fraud it's lie
It has chocolate inside, so she cannot eat. Chocolate is not good for parrot, so and dog. It is not dog. She is our dog. She is your dog. Sorry, dog ne doggy. So chocolate is not good for parrot, so we gave it some biscuits, and she loved to break it into small pieces. We from where we get this toti? It's a gift. It is a gift, and when it came to us, it is not in a good condition, but she speaks at that time, and she is so well after living here. Here, our flying feathers are arising. What do we say? Coming, growing. And whenever we cut them down, she became so angry. She bite on me. Listen the voice. Hello. Hello. Okay. Eat it. Or chop it. That we call our what do we call it? This in English? Needy? No, greedy. Sorry, greedy. A greedy parrot, not greedy dog, but a greedy parrot. She left her food over there and goes for a smaller one because it is wet and she loves to eat wet things. Hi. Oh. Hi. Okay, we someday show you her lots of pictures from the first day till now, and
Go there. Go there.
hi, come over here. Wanna eat?
Go there.
Wanna eat? Not in a mood to speak, just in a mood to eat. Hi, Toti. Take it? No. Take it? No. Take it? No. we also show you which sort of thing she is afraid of, and then she shouts a lot. Again, eating
filled with chocolate.
that is not a pure chocolate, so nothing happened to her. She loves to eat. Huh? Okay. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say meow. Meow. Mithu. Mithu. She loves massage. Mithu. 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 Wake up. Wake up and eat it. Okay. Don't want to say anything, so we are going. And the next video will show you how she say the words, different words. Okay.